So from the top, these are the holes it comes with on the standard jet sled. Comes with these holes pre-drilled through it, and then just some random 550 style cord they give you. It's not very long. So for modifications, all we did was come back here. We drilled 2 holes down in here and put our own cordage in here. I think this is like 3/8 or something.
What bit size did you use to punch these holes here?
11/32.
11/32. Now you have that ran up under, I see.
Yeah, we ran the cordage up the whole way through. Drilled 2 more holes here. And then basically just routed the cord. So now we have a lot more standoff. We put this tubing through here in case you want to walk it in hands-free. That way the cord isn't digging into your guts. Or if you want to have somebody else help you pull it, just more handle, get more hands on there in case you're dragging a deer out or something. Cord on the side is nice because if we need to, we can bungee this in. If there's stuff in here we don't want to fall out, bungee the cord in. Or if you just get into an emergency situation, you got a bunch of excess cordage you could use, cut it off, reroute it how it originally comes, but snug it up on the sides.
Now this is the medium-sized jet sled. They have one size bigger and one size smaller, correct?
Yep, I think. At least one size bigger and one smaller, but it's a little bit easier than dragging around that.
We tried this out in some local lands. I mean, we were hauling a whole bunch of stuff. I mean, you can really stack these things true.
And it goes over everything. I mean,
you can get these in. You've pulled deer out with one of these last year. That's another reason I picked one of these up here.
yeah, we've had this hooked up to the hitch on the side-by-side, and it'll pull it. Just like an adult version of a sled.
Yeah, we were going up over trees. In the snow, they slide great.
Over logs, they slide great. Basically, the only thing it doesn't slide fantastic on is grass, but even then, still
2 guys pulling it. We're going to be using this for waterfowl this year as well, hauling, God, a dozen of decoys. We might even try to put them side by side and hold the blind in. So, tried and true.
Pretty good application.
Yeah, $90 give or take if you buy them. We'll post a link.
And not to mention the drilling the extra holes just kind of distributes like where you're pulling from. You're kind of pulling from the entire
Those are more
side.
straight, right?
Yeah. So, check it out. Do it to it.
Yes, sir.
Look at this find. Good footage.
Coming in.
Ready?
No, ow, something's got my leg. Oh, that's sharp. Right through the mountain pants. What do you got?
Take a look at this here. There we go. Ooh. That's a keeper. Ouch. Something loud, man. Fucking skewered me.
One last bite.
We're going to set this here as a point of reference. What the point of reference is, I have no idea, but next time we see that, it'll be a good day. Anyways, jet sled, 10 out of 10 purchase.
Where'd you get it from?
I think I was another Field and Stream, Johnny, but
Field and Stream, Johnny?
it's kind of like an all-purpose cart. Yard work, waterfowl, setting up deer stands. But the fact that we're pulling it over all this crap and nothing ever flies out is just insane to me.
We used that waterfowl hunting last year, too. There's
Yes.
another pile of bones.
I see that. Something was clearly smoked here.
Something nasty down.
So down here is where I believe stuff starts. Ooh, I'm smelling something dead. For archery, though, I'm thinking right down in here. Oh yeah, that's that old-fashioned skunk cabbage.
She's soupy. Jet sled mowing through it, though.
With ease.
You've
Few
used-
modifications on this, by the way.
Oh yeah, let's get a good view of what you've done to save your shoulders here.
Can't remember what kind of tubing this was, but cut it wide enough so if we...
That was tubing you had for your tractor at home.
Oh yeah.
For your oil filter.
Wood oil drain off tube.
But keeps your shoulders safe.
Yeah, or you hook it around the gut and just hands-free operation.
Hands free.